With a number of refractor telescopes, in this case as you can see the Skywatcher Star Travel 102, on top of it you'll see what looks like a standard tripod thread for attaching a camera, and that's because it is. In this case it's on one of the tube rings, and I think that's mainly the case. So I'll just quickly just show you how to use it and what different not just cameras you can put on it. And so what I'll try first is a smartphone adapter. Now as you can see, it has the tripod thread there, and all you do is just screw it into place like that. Now I can see straight away it's not pointing in the right direction, and so all you do, don't force it by turning it clockwise, because that's how you destroy threads. Go in the opposite direction to make it more loose but pointing in the right direction, and then this little wheel below, turn it anti-clockwise while holding it in place until it locks into position like that. And now I'm going to get the smartphone, and this is just one smartphone adapter, but I know there are many more out there, different designs. And so lifting it up, smartphone in, done, and that's it. And so now you can use this for, well, really a couple of reasons. I know with many modern day cameras, let's turn that around a bit, you can take long exposure photographs, so you might be doing some astrophotography through your main telescope or some visual observing, but also taking some long exposure images through the smartphone. But also smartphones today, you know there's an app for everything. I just wish there was an app for backache, but there you go. So what you can do is you can have the live sky displayed on your screen, so then you have a rough idea of objects that are potentially in the eyepiece of the telescope or in the surrounding area, so you can use it as a great navigational aid. And so what I'll do now is I will show you a few more accessories and cameras you can put on this telescope or many others, but be aware that with a lot of things you are adding extra weight, and so make sure you have the telescope and the tripod to handle that. And if you're using an EQ mount, you may have to adjust the counterweights or maybe add an additional one.